Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuraina Alarisha binti Karizai.
Hi, my name is Wan Elisa Sofia binti Muhammad Suhaimi.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Adiawati binti Zurhaini.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurshahira binti Abdul Hadi.
This is our video presentation
For the apartment of Seri Iskandar.
Starting off with the introduction, apartment Seri Iskandar is built in 2019 and it is an 8-story residential building in Seri Iskandar, Perak. It is priced between RM160,000 to RM250,000. Each 900 square foot unit includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 parking lot, with an 88 years remaining on the leasehold. This property features modern amenities such as a clubhouse, playground, swimming pool, surau and 24-hour security with a monthly maintenance of fee of RM99. It is conveniently located as it is surrounded by shops, clinics, schools and also universities such as UITM and also UTP. The apartment of Seri Iskandar is constructed with a reinforced concrete frame under the Industrialized Building System (IBS). It offers durability, strength and also architectural flexibility. The first type of stairs is the half-turn open wall stairs. For the overview, it is a 2-flight with a central landing, simple, functional and ideal for multi-story buildings. It enhances vertical access, space efficiency and also architectural appeal. And lastly, it is the open wall improve ventilation and lighting while reducing energy use. There are a few advantages of this type of stairs. The first one, which is the aesthetic elegance with natural light and airflow, while the second one, it is energy efficient and comfortable environment. And the third one, it is intermediate landings, improve safety and reduce user fatigue. And lastly, it is durable and stable structure, suitable for heavy traffic. As for the disadvantages, it requires more space which can challenge complex layouts. And secondly, it has a higher material use, therefore the labor cost and also complex construction. And the maintenance needed to preserve the aesthetic in high traffic areas are very costly. The construction method for half-turn open wall reinforced concrete stairs begins with the design and planning stage. It is to ensure that the staircase meets load requirements, dimension and reinforcement detailing. After marking the staircase dimension accurately on site and cleaning the open wall, temporary support are added if needed for safety. Sturdy formwork is then constructed using plywood or lumber with proper bracing to support workers and wet concrete. Reinforcement bars are placed according to the design and cored securely and spaced to ensure adequate concrete cover for durability. Next, concrete of M20 or M25 grid is poured from the bottom to the top flight, compacted with the vibrators to eliminate the air voids, and leveled. Curing is done by retaining moisture with damp covers for 7 to 14 days. After 7 to 28 days, the formwork is removed and the surface is inspected for flaws and repair if necessary. Finally, the staircase is finished with plaster or other materials, and railings or balustrades are installed for safety and aesthetics. The second type of stair is quarter-turn stair. Quarter-turn stair, also known as L-shaped stairs, designed with a 90-degree turn at the landing. Commonly used in residential and commercial buildings for space efficiency and functionality. There are 3 main components of quarter-turn stair. First, landing. The point where 2 flights meet and direction changes ensures safety and comfort during use. Second is support structure. Includes framing or structural elements to provide stability and bear loads. Integrated in the third main component of quarter-turn stair is railings. Ensures user safety and adds aesthetic appeal. It also available in various designs to suit aesthetic preferences. There are pros and cons of this type of staircase. The first pros is space efficiency. It is ideal for buildings with limited floor area due to compact design. It maximizes functionality and accommodates residents' needs effectively. Furthermore, it also enhances visual appeal with its band design, making it more common areas more welcoming for residents and visitors. Next, this type of staircase also includes secure landings as resting points during ascent and descent, which is beneficial for individuals with difficulty navigating long flights of stairs. However, there are also consequences of this type of staircase. The first one is construction complexity, because it requires accurate measurements and angles to avoid errors, which will be increases construction cost and time. Other than that, this type of staircase needs additional support for landings and turns. It may require wall modifications or extra materials, which will be complicating the architectural design. The construction method of quarter turn stairs started from formwork installation. It constructed to the shape of the stairs with precise 90-degree measurements by using strong wooden or metal panels to hold wet concrete without deformation. Next, construction steps followed by rebar placement. Reinforcement bars, horizontal and vertical, are positioned as per design. Bars are tied together for stability. After that, concrete is poured into the formwork, ensuring no air pockets using vibrators or tapping. Each step is leveled before the concrete sets. Followed by curing, maintains moisture levels for several days to achieve optimal concrete strength. And last but not least, formwork is removed after curing, revealing the staircase structure. The final treatments like polishing or non-slip coatings are applied for safety and aesthetics.
Moving forward to the next part, which reinforced concrete for upper floor, the apartment Seri Iskandar structure incorporates a one-way reinforced concrete slab for the upper floor, which is designed to support loads in a single direction. Its flexibility over long spans and cost-effectiveness makes it an ideal choice for upper floor construction. The one-way slab has been proposed for apartment Seri Iskandar due to its cost-effectiveness, as it requires less steel reinforcement and reduces material and labor costs. Its simplified design also lowers installation expenses. Additionally, one-way slab offers excellent deflection control when properly constructed, with predictable bending properties that maintain structural integrity over time. Their ability to span extensive areas without intermediate supports makes them ideal for applications like parking garage and other large expanse space. The main disadvantages of one-way slabs otherwise include deflection issues under heavy loads, which can lead to cracking if not properly designed and addressed during construction. Their limited loads capacity is another drawback, as they are designed to handle bending primarily in one direction, making them less suitable for heavy loads or wide spans compared to two-way slabs. The main disadvantages of one-way slabs otherwise include deflection issues under heavy loads, which can lead to cracking if not properly addressed during construction. Their limited loads capacity is another drawback, as they are designed to handle bending primarily in one direction, making them less suitable for heavy loads or wide spans compared to two-way slabs. Additionally, their lower reinforcement makes them more prone to bending cracks, particularly if they are not adequately constructed to handle unexpected loads. The construction of a reinforced concrete one-way slab begins with selecting an appropriate design that accounts for load requirements, reinforcement details, and environmental conditions, which particularly for spans where the length exceeds twice the width. Concrete and steel reinforcement are used, followed by the installation of formwork, which must be strong enough to support with concrete and prevent deflection. After that, once the formwork is set, reinforcement bars are placed and concrete is carefully poured into the formwork. Vibrators can be used to ensure proper compactions and eliminate air pockets. After pouring, the concrete undergoes a curing process for at least 7 days to develop strength. Once the required strength is achieved, the formwork is then removed. Final finishing touch, such as smoothing the surface, are then applied to ensure the slabs meet durability, functionality, and aesthetic requirements. The second type of RC upper floor is two-way slab, ideal of Pangspapuri Seri Iskandar due to its beamless design and modern functionality. Purpose of choosing two-way slab is simplify structural layout with direct load transfer to column, provide a smooth, visually pleasing ceiling, Facilitate easier integration of utilities like wiring, plumbing and HVAC. Last, offer flexibility for future modification in partition. There are three advantages of two-way slab. First, the faster construction as it simplifies forward to reduce time and labor. Second, flexible layout, beamless design, allow easy wall adjustment. Lastly, aesthetic appeal, smooth ceiling enable modern interior design. As the disadvantages of two-way slab is first, higher cost, require thicker slab and more reinforcement for larger span. Second, deflection issue, prone to bending under heavy load without proper design. Lastly, punching shear risk, extra reinforcement needed at column slab junction. Construction method for RC two-way slab. First, forward, set up steel or plywood panel with adjustable top. Second, reinforcement, place bottom and top mesh and shear reinforcement at column. Next, concrete pouring, pour and compact concrete evenly smooth the surface. Next, curing, cover with curing compound or wet material for 7 to 40 days. Next, forward removal, remove side forward after 24 to 48 hours, so feet forward after 7 to 40 days. Last, finishing, inspect, repair defect and prepare for final.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.